Why an e-com calendar is non-negotiable. If you're running a gear launch store without an e-commerce calendar, you're not really planning, you're reacting. Most sellers wake up each month asking, what should I sell now? Top sellers don't do that. They already know what's coming, when buyers start planning, and how early their products need to be live. That's exactly what an e-com calendar does. It keeps you calm, prepared, and ahead while everyone else is rushing at the last minute. Once you have a calendar, the most important rule to follow is simple: the 60-day rule. On GearLaunch, your products should be live at least 2 months before major events. Why? Because your pages need time to index, your ads need time to warm up, and buyers need time to discover, save, compare, and come back. Late launches feel stressful and expensive. Early launches feel controlled and predictable. Smart sellers don't think in months, they think in buyer behavior. They don't ask, when is Valentine's Day? They ask, when do people start searching for gifts? They don't think Independence Day is July 4th. They think, when do people start planning outfits, decor, and parties? This mindset shift is what separates sellers who plan from sellers who panic. Now, even without listing every single date, there are key events every gear launch seller must build around. Romantic gifting seasons like Valentine's, where buyers plan weeks ahead. Patriotic moments like Independence Day, where patriotic apparel, garden flags, and party accessories perform best. Family-focused holidays like Mother's Day and Father's Day, where personalization drives decisions. Massive global moments like the World Cup, which create non-stop demand. And of course, Q4 holidays, where preparation can make or break your entire year. These events aren't random. They reward sellers who prepare early, not those who rush late. An e-com calendar is especially powerful for products people don't buy last minute. On GearLaunch, early planning works best for apparel tied to specific events, home decor like garden flags and wall art, party accessories and drinkware sold as bundles, personalized gifts that require decision time. These products sell better when buyers feel prepared, not pressured. One more thing smart sellers do early: they lean into personalization. Names, dates, photos. Personalized mugs, blankets, and jewelry convert higher because they feel irreplaceable. Once a customer adds a name or photo, they stop price shopping because no one else sells that exact product. And finally, think globally. Events like Ramadan and the World Cup aren't regional, they're worldwide. Sellers who localize designs, messaging, and shipping options don't just sell more, they win bigger. If you're only thinking in one market, you're leaving opportunity on the table. When your products are live early, you collect data. You see what resonates, and scaling becomes a decision, not a gamble. Late sellers chase trends, early sellers build momentum, and momentum compounds. This is why an e-commerce calendar isn't optional, it's foundational. If you want to know what to prepare for, when to launch, and how early to act, grab the GearLaunch e-commerce calendar from our website. Stay early, stay calm, and let preparation do the heavy lifting.